And it's my kids' Wii. I freed from enslavement from the manufacturers, lead players, and Nintendo, Super Nintendo, 64, PlayStation, Genesis, GameCube, the Wii channel, play your own games, someone else's games, apps, whatever. Wii Flow, you can play your backup games. You can back up your games on a hard drive so your kids don't break them. You can play them. Like one of my favorite. It's got a better menu to it than Wii Flow. Yeah, it's all the kids' games. I got on there now. Don't take up too much memory. Here we go. Add another one. There you have it. We're in a hard drive. No more kids' sticky fingers on the disc. No more shuffling through 50 discs trying to find a game.